Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be doing the poem She Walks in Beauty. It's poem 2.7 from your book English Yuvak Bharati for Standard 12. So, this is the seventh poem. It's written by George Gordon Byron, very popularly known as Lord Byron. People really love his writings. लोगों को बहुत इनके काफी compositions और जो उन्होंने लिखे हैं काफी famous हुए थे. He has also composed Childe Harold's Pilgrimage, which had become very famous, and then he had gone on a tour of Europe and the Orient, matlab the East. Alright, She Walks in Beauty is a short lyrical poem celebrating female beauty. This line is extremely important. Appreciation of the poem में काफी काम आएगा ये आपको. The poet describes an unknown woman who is exceptionally striking. striking मतलब उसे देखते ही ना आपको एक double take करने की जरूरत पड़ जाए कि who is this? You know how they show कि there's this handsome hero in your movies. Over here, this woman or this unknown lady is said to be so beautiful that people do double takes to look at her. The poet describes an unknown beauty who is exceptionally striking. The poet describes not only her external appearance but also her inner goodness, which makes her so captivatingly attractive. Byron compares her to the night sky, describing her serene and perfect beauty. Although the poem is generally thought to be a love poem, the poet never actually declares his love for this lady. So now again, हम लोग ना एक बहुत बुरा मिसकंसेप्शन है हम लोग में कि अगर कोई किसी की तारीफ करते हैं स्कूल में भी ऐसा होता है कि अगर किसी लड़के ने बोल दिया कभी कि अरे वो सुंदर है भाई, people start shipping them. लोगों के दिमाग में एक अलग ख्याल चलता है कि oh they're romantically interested, but no, it's just that the other person really finds कि ये सामने वाला इंसान is so worthy of praise. It's just that the other person seems good, seems so nice, seems so interesting, and you can say attraction, but not in a romantic sense, but in a sense that the other person is something that's exceptional to this person. So यहाँ पे he said that this lady is beautiful not only on the outside, मतलब बस उसका face सुंदर नहीं है, बस उसकी body को सुंदर नहीं बताया है. The poet says that she is beautiful from the inside as well. What does it mean? She is smart, she is clean, she is innocent, she is capable of everything. Okay, and this inner beauty is what lasts. जो face की सुंदरता या body की सुंदरता है किसी दिन जा सकती है, right? अगर कोई बूढ़ा हो गया, आप फेस पे झुर्रियां आ गई, you won't call that person beautiful anymore. Of course they are still beautiful, but the general society का जो beauty का setup है, tight skin, and some people think it's fair skin, अच्छा, defined jawline, सीधी नाक. So that is not what the poet has described here. The poet has described both the inner and the outer beauty. Okay, now he said that she is like the night sky. Okay, he has described her serene मतलब एक तरीके से divine and perfect beauty. Serene and divine beauty मतलब हम जैसे कि माँ सीता की बात करते हैं, पार्वती की बात करते हैं, राधे की बात करते हैं, वैसे serene यानी एक godly, okay, एक दिव्य ब्यूटी है इसके बारे में, परफेक्ट है ये, यानी कि सब मतलब बाहरी सुंदरता भी काफी सुंदर दिखती है और अंदर से भी बहुत अच्छी है. जैसे कि आप पार्वती की बात करें या माँ दुर्गा की बात करें, वो ब्यूटीफुल भी है, वो टैलेंटेड भी है, वो बहुत वो देवियां है, भगवान है, यानी कि हम लोग पूजते हैं, राइट? तो उनमें और कई क्वालिटीज भी है और वो सुंदर है. Although the poem is generally thought to be a love poem, ये एक love poem है, romantic poem नहीं है. It's a poem जहाँ पे this person finds the other person attractive but not in a romantic sense. In the sense that that person is close to perfect. This person just admires the other person. Admire करने में और किसी से romantically प्यार करने में बहुत difference होता है. Admire मतलब you find that person so amazing. Alright. So we'll start with the poem and then इसके themes भी है कुछ जिसे हम आगे बढ़ते हुए discuss करेंगे. Alright. First stanza. She walks in beauty like night of cloudless climes and starry skies, and all that's best of dark and bright meet in her aspect and her eyes. Dove mellowed to that tender light which heaven to body day denies. She walks in beauty like the night. She walks in beauty. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि औरत बहुत सुंदर तरीके से चल रही है, she walks perfectly like a model or something. No, it doesn't mean कि वो एक मॉडल जैसे चल रही है, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से स्टाइल से चल रही है. It means that वो इतनी सुंदर है, वो इतना अच्छा, इतनी अच्छी दिखती भी है, इतनी अच्छी है भी कि उसके आजू बाजू की चीजें ब्यूटीफुल हो गई. जहाँ चलती है ना वहाँ पे ब्यूटी बन रही है. She also beauty like the night of cloudless skies and starry night. Cloudless skies मतलब cloudless sky मतलब जिस दिन cloudless होता है, you can see the moon which is beautiful, the stars which is beautiful, and एक अच्छा ठंडी हवा भी बह रही होती है, right? So that is beautiful. Starry skies and all that messed up dark and bright. All that messed up dark and bright मतलब dark और bright दोनों की अच्छी चीजें. But there are two things, okay? If you're interested, if you see YouTube also, you might sometimes come across this thing that dark feminine beauty and light feminine beauty. Light feminine beauty. So यहाँ पे ना he's saying that this woman has both dark and bright feminine beauty. Okay. Neat of aspect and the eyes. तो ये जो भी day and night यानी dark और bright दोनों की जो beauties है ना, they meet her aspect and features in her face and also the kind of person she is and her eyes. Alright. Okay. Thus method that ends the night मतलब makes movements of glasses in a way that everything is mixed together in a perfect way to get the light which heaven to God